Welcome to Precision Craft Factory, where we explore the fascinating journey of industrial manufacturing processes that shape our modern world today. Today, we uncover the secrets behind the tangy and sweet tamarind, transforming from a simple pod into a global culinary staple. It begins in the tropical orchards, where farmers carefully select the ripest pods to ensure the highest quality for industrial processing. These harvested treasures are loaded onto massive trucks, ready to be transported to our state-of-the-art facility for a complete transformation. Upon arrival at the factory, the logistics team coordinates the docking process, ensuring a smooth and efficient unloading of raw materials. The raw tamarind pours onto the initial conveyor belts, marking the very first step in this complex and automated industrial symphony. Strict quality control measures are immediately applied, as inspectors check moisture levels and pod integrity before the main processing begins. The initial cleaning phase uses powerful vibrating screens to remove any field debris, dust, or leaves attached to the pods. This mechanical separation ensures that only the tamarind pods proceed further, keeping the production line clean and efficient from the start. High-pressure water jets blast the outer shells, removing stubborn soil particles and preparing the pods for the upcoming shelling process. To ensure the shells crack easily, the pods pass through a rapid drying tunnel that removes excess surface water immediately. We now enter the shelling zone, where precision rollers are calibrated to crack the hard outer shell without damaging the pulp. The mechanical rollers apply just enough pressure to shatter the brittle shell while leaving the valuable fruit pulp completely intact. Powerful air blowers utilize gravity and weight differences to separate the light broken shells from the heavier, sticky tamarind fruit. The shelled tamarind, still holding its seeds and fibers, travels along the line, ready for the intricate deseeding operation. Human oversight remains crucial here, as skilled workers manually remove any shell fragments that the machines might have missed earlier. Their trained eyes and quick hands ensure that only the cleanest fruit pulp proceeds to the critical deseeding machinery ahead. The fruit enters the deseeding unit, where centrifugal force and specially designed beaters work to loosen the seeds from the pulp. Inside the chamber, the mechanism gently agitates the fruit, detaching the hard seeds while preserving the texture of the soft pulp. The hard seeds are diverted into a collection bin for other uses, while the pure tamarind meat continues its journey forward. Nothing goes to waste in this factory. The collected seeds are packed and sent away to be repurposed in other industries. The seedless pulp is now transferred into massive stainless steel vats, where the hydration and softening process is about to begin. Hot water is pumped into the tanks, raising the temperature to soften the tough fibers and extract the rich flavor. Slow-moving agitators ensure the mixture is perfectly blended, creating a uniform slurry that will become the base of the product. Over time, the solid chunks break down completely, turning into a smooth, viscous liquid, ready for the next stage of filtration. The liquid is pumped through a coarse filter, which catches any remaining long fibers that could affect the smoothness of the paste. This filtration step is vital for texture, ensuring that the consumer experiences a smooth product without any unpleasant stringy fibers. The refined liquid is transferred to vacuum cooking kettles, where the magic of concentration and sterilization happens under controlled pressure. Technicians monitor the digital readouts closely, adjusting the temperature to cook the paste without burning its delicate natural sugars. Inside the kettle, the mixture boils at a precise temperature, allowing excess water to evaporate and the flavor to intensify. Vacuum cooking preserves the natural color and nutrients of the tamarind, preventing the oxidation that often occurs in open-air boiling. Samples are drawn periodically to check the brix level, ensuring the paste reaches the exact thickness and sweetness required. Precision is key here. The concentration must be exact to ensure consistency in taste and texture for every single batch. Once the desired density is achieved, the paste passes through a homogenizer to ensure a perfectly smooth and glossy texture. The result is a luxurious, velvety paste that flows with a consistent viscosity, ready for the final stages of production. To ensure safety and shelf life, the paste undergoes ultra-high temperature sterilization, killing bacteria without altering the flavor profile. Rapid cooling follows immediately, locking in the freshness and preparing the hot paste for the automated filling lines ahead. We now move to the sterile packaging zone, where robotic arms place clean jars onto the conveyor with rhythmic precision. Before filling, every jar passes through a UV sterilization tunnel, guaranteeing a completely sanitary environment for the finished product. High-speed filling nozzles descend into the jars, dispensing the exact weight of tamarind paste with zero spillage or waste. The viscosity of the paste is perfectly calculated, so it fills the jar smoothly without trapping air bubbles inside. Hundreds of jars move in synchronization, a testament to the efficiency and speed of modern food processing engineering. The capping machine automatically feeds lids onto the jars, positioning them perfectly for the sealing mechanism to take over. Rotary heads twist the caps tight, creating a vacuum seal that protects the product from contamination and preserves freshness. Sensors inspect every single jar to verify the seal integrity, automatically rejecting any unit that fails the vacuum test. A final wash ensures the outside of the jars remains clean and sticky-free, ready for the labeling and packaging stage. Air knives blast the jars dry instantly, providing a pristine surface for the adhesive labels to stick to securely. The labeling machine applies branding with pinpoint accuracy, wrapping the jars in colorful information about the product and ingredients. Every label is smoothed down perfectly, giving the product its professional appearance and providing essential information to the consumer. Laser coders print the manufacturing date and batch number on each unit, ensuring full traceability for quality assurance purposes. Advanced camera systems perform a final visual check, verifying label alignment and cap placement before the jars are boxed. Robotic arms group the finished jars and gently lower them into cardboard cartons, preparing them for bulk distribution. The cartons are sealed automatically with tape, securing the heavy jars inside for safe transport to markets around the world. Shipping labels and barcodes are printed directly onto the boxes, streamlining logistics and inventory management for the warehouse team. A heavy-duty palletizer robot stacks the boxes onto wooden pallets, building stable layers ready for forklift transport. Once stacked, the pallet is wrapped in protective plastic film, stabilizing the load and preventing shifting during transit. Forklifts transport the finished pallets to the expansive warehouse, where they await distribution to supermarkets and factories globally. The warehouse operates with clockwork efficiency, managing inventory to ensure that fresh tamarind paste is always available for delivery. Beyond paste, this factory also produces tamarind powder, a versatile ingredient used in seasoning mixes and instant beverages. For powder production, the concentrated liquid is pumped into a colossal spray drying tower, where heat meets atomization. Inside the tower, the liquid is atomized into a fine mist, which dries instantly upon contact with swirling hot air. The result is a fine, free-flowing powder that retains the distinct tart flavor of tamarind in a convenient dry form. This powder passes through a final sieve to ensure uniform particle size before being sent to the packaging station. Vertical bagging machines form pouches from foil rolls, filling them with powder and sealing them in a split second. Each pouch is check-weighed automatically, ensuring consumers get exactly the amount of product stated on the package label. Quality assurance continues in the lab, where technicians test the powder's solubility and flavor intensity to maintain high standards. The rehydrated powder produces a rich, tangy liquid that is indistinguishable from fresh tamarind juice in both taste and color. Sustainability is a core value here. The factory operates an advanced water treatment plant to purify all processed water. The treated water is so clean that it supports aquatic life in the factory's eco-pond before being safely released. Renewable energy also powers production, with massive solar panel arrays on the roof, reducing the facility's overall carbon footprint. Organic waste, such as shells and fibers, is composted to create rich fertilizer, returning nutrients back to the soil. This fertilizer is distributed back to the farmers, creating a closed-loop system that supports sustainable agriculture for future harvests. The versatility of tamarind extends to confectionery, where the paste is mixed with sugar and chili to make candies. Automated cutters slice the seasoned tamarind rope into bite-sized pieces, ready to be wrapped for snack lovers everywhere. High-speed wrappers twist colorful foil around each candy, sealing in the spicy and sour flavor profile that consumers love. The finished candies cascade into collection bins, a colorful and delicious result of combining tradition with modern manufacturing technology. Each piece offers a perfect balance of sweet, sour, and spicy notes, delivering a burst of tropical flavor instantly. From rich cooking pastes to instant powders and delightful candies, this factory maximizes the potential of the humble tamarind. These products find their way into professional kitchens, becoming the secret ingredient in famous dishes like pad thai and curries. They also bring convenience to home cooks, allowing them to create authentic sour soups and sauces with ease. Global logistics networks ensure that these tamarind products travel across oceans, reaching shelves in supermarkets around the world. From this single facility, the unique taste of tropical tamarind is shared with millions of people across different continents. Back at the factory, the lights remain on as production continues 24/7 to keep up with the growing global demand.
That should work. Saves us a day.
Dedicated teams work in shifts, ensuring that the machinery runs smoothly and quality standards are maintained at all times. Between batches, automated clean-in-place systems circulate sanitizing solutions through the pipes, ensuring hygiene without dismantling the equipment. Preventive maintenance is performed regularly by skilled engineers to prevent breakdowns and ensure the longevity of the complex machinery. Innovation never stops. The research and development team is constantly experimenting with new formulas to expand the product line. Advanced instruments measure parameters like color and viscosity, ensuring that every batch matches the strict sensory profile defined. Cold storage facilities preserve semi-processed pulp, allowing the factory to continue production even when the fresh harvest season ends. For certain delicate products, a fleet of refrigerated trucks ensures the cold chain is maintained until delivery to retailers. Ultimately, the goal is customer satisfaction, delivering a product that brings joy and flavor to kitchens everywhere. Whether used in a simple home meal or a gourmet creation, the quality of the tamarind shines through in every bite. We have witnessed an incredible transformation from the rugged raw pod to the refined, sealed, and labeled jar of goodness. This factory stands as a testament to human ingenuity, combining biology and engineering to feed the world efficiently. Behind every machine is a dedicated workforce, whose passion and expertise drive the success of this precision manufacturing facility. As the day winds down, the golden light highlights the beauty of industry, a blend of steel, technology, and nature. Pride and craftsmanship is woven into the culture here, ensuring that the brand represents trust and quality to consumers. The tangy, sweet, and savory profile of tamarind is unique, a flavor that has captivated palates for centuries. Modern technology allows us to scale up these traditional flavors without compromising the authenticity that people know and love. Situated close to the source, the factory maintains a symbiotic relationship with the land and the local farming community. The cycle continues day after day, a never-ending loop of harvest, production, and distribution that powers the local economy. Adherence to international standards like ISO and HACCP guarantees that every product leaving these doors is safe and world-class. Looking to the future, the company plans to expand its capacity and introduce even more innovative tamarind-based products. Investment in cutting-edge technology remains a priority, ensuring the factory stays at the forefront of the food processing industry. It is a mesmerizing dance of gears and circuits, a perfect example of how far industrial engineering has come. At international trade shows, these products represent the finest quality, winning accolades and opening new doors for export. The success of the factory translates directly to the prosperity of the farmers, creating a sustainable ecosystem for everyone involved. From the farm to the factory and finally to the family table, every step is taken with care and passion. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the complex and rewarding world of industrial tamarind processing. It is a story of nature's bounty enhanced by human technology, bringing a taste of the tropics to the world. Precision Craft Factory is dedicated to showing you the hidden marvels behind the everyday products we all consume. Thank you for watching this incredible journey on Precision Craft Factory. Subscribe now to discover more manufacturing secrets in our next video.